Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on EveryDollar. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in everydollar.com/app and then press enter. You will now be taken into your application homepage for EveryDollar, in which you will directly be taken into the dashboard. Now from the homepage, you will find your account section at the bottom left corner, and you will also find the sign out button. If you wish to log out from your account, click on this sign out button and now you will be logged out from your account right away. If you wish to log back in, go back to the everydollar.com/app website and then you can sign in using your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on the EveryDollar website or application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.